buy another lottery ticket?
Yeah, I just got one from Plaid.
Are you serious? Oh, fuck. Dude, you've been buying these things since we moved in together and you haven't won a goddamn thing yet.
Hey man, you never know what's gonna be your lucky day. Play anything enough and you're gonna win sooner or later.
Yeah, well, let's see what this one has to say.
What the hell, man?
What?
Dude, you can't just scratch somebody else's lotto ticket.
Whatever, man. It's gonna be the same outcome either way, but here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Did you just win?
Yeah, I just won $10,000.
Jesus Christ.
I told you, man. Play something long enough, you're bound to win sooner or later.
Guess so. Yeah, now you broke even, maybe. I think you're still in the hole.
Hey man, I'm heading to the bars. You wanna come with?
No, man, I'm busy.
Busy with what?
I still got 12 guys left.
Alright man, laters, bro.
Laters. What's up, buddy?
Fucking feel like shit.
You got a girl in there with you?
Yeah, I got 2 of them.
What?
Yeah, dude, I picked them at the bars last night.
Damn. So you're telling me that you have a $10,000 lottery ticket sitting in that basket over there, and you got 2 girls in your bedroom? Yesterday was your lucky day, my friend.
Yeah, but I don't feel so lucky this morning, man. I feel like shit. Yeah, I'm going to the bathroom.
Hey Liz, you don't love this guy, right?
No.
Good, that's what I thought. I just overheard them talking. There's a $10,000 lottery ticket sitting on the counter. So we take it and split it 50-50.
Carl?
Yo.
Where the hell did you put my lottery ticket?
It's on the counter, man. You gonna go cash it?
Yeah, I was going to, but now it's not here.
Well, what'd you do with it?
I put it here on the counter, and now it's fucking gone.
Well, I don't have it, man.
Well, then who does? I sure as fuck don't have it.
Probably one of those bitches you had over here the other night.
How did they take it when they didn't know about it? Just fucking give it back, asshole.
Listen, motherfucker, I don't have your fucking ticket.
That's bullshit, Kyle. I know you have it.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, man. I want my $10,000.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, I'm fucking serious.
I'm not gonna fucking stay here and listen to this shit. I'm out of here, man. Fuck shit.
Kyle, stop, man.
What?
Listen.
What the fuck is this?
What?
These bitches took your fucking ticket, man.
You fucking kidding me?
I told you I didn't have it. They ran with your 10 grand and gave you $2 for your ticket. So what do you have to say for yourself?
Well, wanna buy another lottery ticket?
Robert owes half to Grenville, who in turn gave half to Larry, who adored my instrumentals. And so he gave half to a foreign publisher. He took half the money that was earned in some far distant land, gave back half to Larry, and I end up with half of goodness knows what. Can't somebody explain why things go on this way? I thought they were my friends. I can't believe it's me. I can't believe that I'm so green. Eyes down, round and round. Let's all sit and watch the money go round.